Today we're going to be doing a quick review on this Harbor Freight knife. It's the Gordon tactical knife from Harbor Freight. And let's go ahead and get started. There's the back. And there's the front. Alright, let's get started with the unboxing. Alright, there's the knife. Here's the other side. It's locked in there. Little lever so you can unlock it. Oh, I like this. I like this. You get a little lever here in the back whenever you want to pull it out. Yeah. Nice. Little pocket clip right there. Feels good in the hand. This is like a rugged material here. It's probably like a, I don't know, like a sprayed on rugged material. Feels pretty solid in the hand. Pretty sharp. So, alright, let's test see if it's sharp. Yes, it's pretty sharp. Oops. Yeah, it's pretty sharp. I have to say it feels pretty good in the hand. I mean, it's pretty sharp. This one's a little bit more expensive than the other Gordon knife that I reviewed previous. The link is below of the other knife. But this one's, I believe this one's about $8, $7 or $8. The other one's $5. I mean, it's, I don't know, you can get either or. To me, they're the same. They both feel pretty good. The other one's slightly bigger. That's the only difference I would know. So, but yeah, this feels pretty good. I mean, for what it is. I guess this is the clip. Yep. Alright, this is my quick review on this Gordon tactical knife from Harbor Freight. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.